Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix error code E87 on Steam. So if you're also having error code E87 on Steam, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is check if the Steam is down. For that, open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in is Steam down. Press enter. Now you can see over here there is no current problems at Steam. That means Steam is not down right now. If the Steam is down, you cannot do anything about it. But if the Steam is not down, what you have to do is follow these processes. Exit the Chrome. Now what you have to do is press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Find the option for Task Manager, click on it. Now this kind of windows will open up. If you find the option for Steam over here, right click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Here you can see several options. Click on the option End Task. If you find other Steam options also, you'll have to end the task of those options. Now after that, exit this window. Now you'll have to find the shortcut for Steam. You can see over here. Now right click on the Steam. You can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see several options over here. At last, you'll be able to find the option for properties. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here properties will be open. Here you can see three options: general, shortcut and compatibility. Go to compatibility. Here you can see several options. You can find the option for run this program as an administrator. Check on this box. Now go to shortcut. Here on the target you'll be able to see the link. All you have to do is copy it. Simply press Ctrl C. Now click on the apply button that you can see right over here. After that, exit this. Now on your keyboard, press Windows plus R. Now you can see over here, run will be opened. You can see a box over here, click on it. Now you'll have to paste the link that we have just copied earlier. Right click on the box. Here this kind of pop-up will appear. You can see the option for paste. All you have to do is click on it. Or you can also press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now click on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your problem is solved and Steam is opened. So that is how you fix error code E87 on Steam. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.